Hello everyone, welcome to TechObro. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to add two numbers using Python. For that I need to take a number in variable num1. So I'm going to take 2 and num2 is the second variable. Now I am going to add them using very simple method. We are going to take another variable called sum, and in sum I am going to add number 1 and number 2 using plus operator. So num1 and num2 are the variables which are going to store the value of the two numbers, and sum will store the value of addition of these two numbers. So let's print the value sum and print. So you can see it is 5. In this case, we are not using any double quotes because sum is a variable, not a string. In the case of string, we will use double quotes. Let's change the value 6 and run it again. It's properly working. That's all for today. If you like my video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.